Hello dears, all of you welcome. In this video we are covering the taxation treatment of gratuity received by non-government employees covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972. You know that for taxation purpose of gratuity, the employees can be categorized as government employees and non-government employees. And the theory part of the exemption of gratuity that we discussed last day in detail. Today we are moving to the problem part of taxation of gratuity. And here is your question. After serving for 33 years and 9 months in Bharat Chemicals Limited, Mr. X, who is covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act, retires from service on 30th November 2019. The employer pays him a gratuity of rupees 9 lakhs. His monthly basic salary at the time of retirement was rupees 30,000, DA rupees 9,000 and HRA rupees 4,500. You are required to compute the amount of gratuity exempted under section 10(2) of the Income Tax Act. So that is the question. Here is a table which discusses the rules of death cum retirement gratuity of the two categories of employees, both government and non-government employees. And in case of government employees, whatever amount of gratuity received by them from their employers is fully exempted from tax. Non-government employees are categorized into two: those who are covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act and those who are not covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act. Here Mr. X is covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972. So for our computation, the second column of this table that is relevant, the least of the following amount is exempted. First item is 15 days salary for every completed years of service. In brackets, it is given that 7 days in case of seasonal establishments. Here, Mr. X is receiving a monthly salary and he is working in a company. And in that case, we are taking 15 days salary for every completed years of service and part thereof in excess of 6 months. That is the first item. Okay, that we will look. Second item is the notified limit, that is rupees 20 lakhs, and third one is the actual amount of gratuity received. You know that salary is having different meaning for different purposes in income tax. Here salary means basic salary and DA. Okay, we can move to the solution now. Here list of the following is exempted. The first item is 15 days salary for every completed years of service and part thereof in excess of 6 months. Likewise, we will write. Okay, that we can look in detail. Here, salary means basic pay and dearness allowance. Dearness allowance, whether forming part of salary or not, that is immaterial. Basic pay, Mr. X is receiving a basic pay of rupees 30,000, DA of rupees 9,000 and HRA of rupees 4,500. That is the salary last drawn by Mr. X here. We have to take the two items, basic pay and DA, as the salary for this purpose. So which is amounting to rupees 39,000. That is the last month salary of Mr. X that we want. Okay. Mr. X completed 33 years and 9 months. So the first sentence is 15 days salary for every completed years of service and part thereof in excess of 6 months. That we can shorten and write like this. Last month basic pay plus DA into 15 by 26 into completed years of service. Here last month basic pay plus DA is equal to 39,000 divided by 26 will give you 1 day's salary into 15. You will get 15 days salary. Here Mr. X is having 34 years service for this purpose. So this will give you an amount of rupees 7,65,000. So that is clear now? Okay, how the 7,65,000 that is arrived, that is clear to you now? 39,000 divided by 26 will give you 1 day's salary into 15. So you will get 15 days salary into completed years of service, 34 years, right? Second amount is the notified limit, that is the notified limit. You don't want to compute it 20 lakhs. Actual amount of gratuity 9 lakhs is the third item. Of the three items, the least item is rupees 7,65,000, which is the exempted amount of gratuity. So what is the taxable gratuity? Taxable gratuity is equal to, taxable portion is equal to actual gratuity received 9 lakhs minus the exempted amount of gratuity 7,65,000, which will give you 1,35,000 taxable gratuity. Okay, we are required to compute the exempted amount of gratuity, that is 7,65,000. And the most important thing is salary for this purpose means basic pay and DA of the last month, that is made for 15 days into completed years of service. There you have to take the service in excess of 6 months as one. Here 33 years and 9 months will be taken as 34 years. So that's all about the computation. Only the first item that you have to compute. Second and third item you don't want to compute. Second item is the notified limit given by the government. So that you have to remember. Third item that will be there in the question. Okay. That's all about the taxation treatment of gratuity of a non-government employee who is covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972. It's enough for today now. We can stop it now.